Alright, so you've got this beautiful set of dip powder nails that have got your nails looking super strong and super long, and of course you want to keep that integrity. The removal process is really important in doing that. Dip powder can be annoying to get off, especially without an e-filer, but I have tested a method that will get your dip nails off crystal clear in about 5 minutes. This first step is actually optional, but if you want an even quicker removal, use a coarse file to file off the shiny top coat layer. It should only take you a few seconds on each finger, but you can totally skip this step and move on without any filing done. Firstly, I put some uncooked rice into a bowl and pop it into the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. You can also save and reuse this rice. I just kept it in a Ziploc bag afterwards and I've reused it twice now. You want it to be hot but not scorching. You'll be using this to heat up your fingers. Now you'll want to get a fabric softener sheet and put it inside a Ziploc bag. This helps with texture and softening the dip powder. Then grab 100% acetone. It can't just be regular nail polish remover, it has to be 100% acetone. Pour just enough into the corner of the bag that will be able to cover your nails. This next step is also optional, but because acetone can be very drying, I like to put some Vaseline on my fingers to protect them. Just make sure you avoid getting it on your nails. Then, stick your fingers into the corner of the bag, right into the fabric softener sheet, and slowly into your hot rice. If it's too hot, retreat! Just go slowly and gently to heat up the acetone. Move your fingers around in there. You want your nails to be rubbing against the fabric softener sheet. You can even use your thumb and rub the fabric softener sheet onto your nails if you want more abrasiveness. Just keep it moving against the sheet and keep it as hot as you possibly can. It's the heat that really speeds the process up. Check on your fingernails every few minutes. For me, it takes about 5 minutes to get them clean. Once the dip powder is off, I go and wash my hands thoroughly with soap to get off any extra residue. You might see some fabric softener fibers shed off your finger. No big deal, just wash your hands thoroughly. Then I apply some oil to nourish them from the drying acetone and voila! Way faster than filing them off or soaking them in foil tips. Happy dipping!